Spudcats are playing. No.
Yes, we're playing.
It's been too long. Oh, okay, we're gotta put on our aprons. Yeah. Ah! I forgot to take out the junk that's in here.
Now you're just gonna make lots and lots of noise.
Depending what's in here.
I think there's sunglasses and other things.
Like a DS booklet. Alright.
Why is there a DS booklet? God! You're louder than ever before.
That. And this.
And those.
No, we gotta present.
What?
Okay. We're doing.
Here, play with your box.
This. No, what is it called?
It's a box of Rice
Pumpkin
Krispies.
kit. That's it.
Okay, now. Hey, look, you're shorter than me. Now, we have to spray your hands.
Ah, God, no.
Not your face. Now I shall spray my hands.
I didn't pull back my sleeves.
That's your fault.
You just died. Okay. Shall we have plates?
I don't know, get them. I'm trying to make this into a pumpkin.
Ah, my junk. Not that.
Why are you still on your knees? It smells like spray.
I told you not to spray so close.
You're the one who's on your knees.
Well, you sprayed them.
This is as orange as I want it.
Alright. And throw a napkin down.
When did I spray the table?
Me! You're doing that now. Go on the table. Alright. Try to not make us much
So
noise.
loud. No. All this orange junk doesn't help.
You put that over there.
Okay. Here's yours. Here's mine. We're supposed to shove them in there. And
We
make
should have
six.
cut that.
Why?
Okay, I'll make a...
You're supposed to make 6 of them.
6?
Yes.
God.
No, not you individually. Both of us together. 6.
Oh,
you got to
shove it in there, but
You can shove it.
You can shove it up your nose.
No, shove it. And it's supposed to make a shape that looks like a pumpkin or an apple.
Well, what I remember from before, you gotta put not that much.
I put enough. It's gonna make a shape.
It's supposed to look like the picture.
Since when have we ever followed pictures?
See, I told we should have chopped that in half.
No. That's supposed to make 6.
Well, it's gonna take a long time if you just do it like that.
Okay, here's 1.
Do you know how to take it out?
No.
Cat's messing with something over there.
Yeah. It's having fun. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But it's a shape.
I want the big one. Oh yeah, I did pretty good.
I did pretty good, or you did pretty good?
I did good.
How about me?
You kind of made a weirder shape.
Well, it's a pumpkin shape, I think.
Come on.
Looks like I ate Cheetos.
Come on. I almost have it.
There.
It's just pushing all the things in. Oh, okay. I got it. See?
What is it?
It's the pumpkin, the long pumpkin. So
Looks
I got
like
one.
a bell.
No, it does not. It's
It's a,
looks like this one.
well, goofy and stupid.
Yes.
Stop throwing things.
It's fine. Now I have to make the other one.
Do I even have enough to make a tall one?
Yes, I made it with just that.
Yeah, but I have less than just that.
I barely put any. Wonder if this tastes good or
I think
not.
it's an egg. I don't know if we're supposed to eat the powder, but
I think you're supposed to eat all this. It's edible.
everything's edible. That doesn't mean you should eat it.
You're already on to the next one. What is this?
That's my... That's nothing.
I saw you push it into that one.
No, that's nothing.
You sure?
Yes, that's my other piece that I'm supposed to shape.
Alright.
You should have given us 2 of these.
I told you.
Well, there's like 4 children.
We could've just...
Everyone take turns.
Well, also, it was in the discount, so there's just the one.
Eh.
Oh, you're just Mr. Fast Pace.
Yeah, you're just trying to shape yours. Okay, I don't got enough.
Okay.
This feels so weird.
What do you mean?
I need more spray.
Do you?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna actually shape mine.
Well, if most of it comes off, then we're good.
It's just the powder. It's not gonna hurt you.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about me spinning this rapidly.
Alright.
Oh, you're trying to make a tip?
That's what it needs.
It doesn't need a tip. It broke off.
It kind of looks like one. Alright.
Mine's a meatball.
That.
Spaghetti.
Alright. Oh, I can't do a close-up shot if my hands are all orange.
4. No, you can like
4.
You're supposed to eat it with frosting. And roll it in this stuff.
I don't want to roll in that.
Keep rolling.
I have 2, not 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have to open that with like knife or scissors.
Can we wash our hands? No! Do not do that.
I want to.
Don't eat it.
I'm not eating it.
Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands.
I'm gonna spit it out afterwards.
I'll be back. Yeah!
There's scissors in there.
More scissors.
I need scissors.
I told you.
Ah! That hurt me.
That's why I can't leave you alone.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't have all my K9s, but these work.
Did you get it?
No.
Do you need scissors?
Yes.
I'll be back again.
There's scissors in there.
No, there's not.
Yeah.
Where's the scissors?
Ah, my hands smell.
That's why I washed them. Not yours, mine.
Ah. Ah.
What scissors?
There's scissors in front of you.
Where?
Cat, back away.
What's happening?
Trying to get food from a bag with no food.
Ugh. Come on, where's the scissors?
There's scissors right in front of you.
I'm gonna get my own.
They're right there.
Where?
Right here.
Here.
This is for hair, but it works.
Isn't that bad?
Possibly.
You better not break it. It's
I'm not breaking it.
It's all greasy. Not greasy. Would it be greasy if it has oil on it?
Our hands are oily with grease.
Is oil and grease different?
Possibly. Actually, aren't they the same thing, just different phases?
I think grease is like the fat and oil is extract.
Where's the other one?
I think so. It's right here.
Gimme.
Because I think...
This is black.
Yes. It's supposed to be...
I got it!
I should have...
Okay. You want to play with green or black right now?
Alright, what do you want to make?
I don't know. Make it. Mine's not working. Oh, there it goes.
Mine's good. There we go.
Let me check something.
Okay, that's what's fine.
Okay, everything's good. Everything's safe. Everybody's happy.
You want green?
No.
The hell are those? Oh yeah, I can do that now. Close-up shot.
Yeah.
Hope I can line this one.
He has a double chin.
There.
Okay, now to shove green everywhere.
There. That should be it. That's how mine looks so far. Then another. See? Simple as that.
I'm in Pluto.
Let me see.
Or Jupiter. Or one with rings.
Space satellite. Wrong way. Come on. Alright, you good? Alright, oh, you already got the green. Okay, know what I need. Okay. Show me the picture.
You don't need pictures.
Yes, I do. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. God, this one's freaking tight.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yours not strong.
It's like a small hole.
I don't know what I made.
Now that looks fun. Mouth. I'm just gonna do the same thing as that.
Yeah.
He's gonna have a fat part.
He has hair. Yeah, he has hair. He's fat.
What is yours?
No! I ruined it.
Of course.
I flipped him.
I don't need the detail.
You don't need anything. This is gonna be eaten. Yeah. Rub it all over.
Don't say that
Oh,
much.
he got a beard. He has beard.
It's the vines and stuff.
He has very, very thick vines on a pumpkin.
Yeah, thick thighs.
Well, that guy got that.
Something.
That guy got hair. This is a ball.
Mine's kind of scared and confused. Alright, I'm good. I got Keeps. With your
This feels so bad.
Then don't touch it. Like, oh, I feel so bad.
Okay, you play.
Hell no.
Here, play.
Hell no.
Play. Yours is worse than mine.
No, it's not.
Mine has an eye and a mouth and eyebrows.
Alright, let's present.
I can't.
Mine's a vampire thing. And yours is
Us.
who is what?
I don't know. One of us has hair and one
And
of
then
us does.
this one doesn't turn out too good, but still.
And this one. Oh, you ate yours.
You
Ah.
sure?
Huh?
You good?
Ah.
Alright, we're good. On to the next thing because
This tastes nothing like a meatball.
if there was sweet meatballs. Yeah,
There's
there is.
sweet meatball.
Oh yeah, there was some. Oh.
How do I turn off the thing?
Oh.
I don't need this.
Wash your hands. I'll cut it.
So off.
The episode.
No,
Stop talking.
why?
It feels better down here. I think it's only like 15 minutes or something. It better not be 30.
Ah.
I don't think so. I can't have too much of this.
It's only 500 calories and butter and sugar and cavities. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do something.
Yes, turn it off.
Bye.
It's been a... I... Oh, my own...